In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GoDaddy Payments on your websites plus marketing site. We'll go through step-by-step instructions to ensure a seamless process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the GoDaddy website, launch your preferred browser and type in GoDaddy's URL, bringing you to their homepage. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Sign In option. Click on this button to proceed to the next step. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, just log in with your credentials. You might be directed to another sign-in page. Don't worry, that's part of the process and you'll simply need to authenticate again if prompted. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your personalized account page. Here, you'll see all your GoDaddy products and services, which should include your online store. Look over the options and select your store by clicking on it. This will lead you to the next phase of our setup journey. In your store's dashboard, you need to find the option that allows you to edit your website. Click on Edit Website to enter the website builder. This is where we'll make all the necessary adjustments to include payment options. Once you've entered the editing area, focus your attention on the left sidebar. You'll see a selection labeled Store. Clicking it will open up additional options related to your online store specifics. Next, find and click on Online Store to ensure you're working in the right module. Scroll down the page until you see an option for payment settings. This is at the bottom of the page, so make sure to look thoroughly. Click on Payment Settings to begin adding payment methods to your store. It's crucial to have these set up so your customers have multiple ways to complete their transactions. Within the payment settings, you will see options like Accept PayPal. Click on the Settings button next to this option. A new window will open asking for your PayPal email address. It's important to double check this information to ensure it's the right PayPal account you wish to connect. After entering your PayPal email, save your changes by clicking Save. Beyond PayPal, you may want to accommodate customers who prefer other payment methods. Look for Accept Offline Payments and click the Settings option there. You'll be prompted to enter specific payment details such as instructions for cash, checks, or bank transfers. Ensure that these instructions are clear to avoid confusion. Once you've filled in these details, remember to click Save again to retain your settings. Finally, review your modifications by clicking Preview and Publish. This allows you to verify that your payment setups appear and function correctly on your live site. Once satisfied, go ahead and publish your site changes. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated GoDaddy Payments into your online store. This setup ensures a more professional and convenient shopping experience for your customers.